Some more earning the hate. Look how many rounds this guy shoots.
Behind the gun.
Welcome to another episode of Earning the Hate.
Put your hands up!
So this starts, somebody called a person at a drive-thru that wouldn't leave. The guy's not leaving. A cop walks up to the door, sees a gun just sitting in the passenger seat, freaks out and calls for cover. Guy never reached for the gun, never said he wanted to shoot anybody, nothing. Just sitting there on his phone, but he's got a gun on his seat. That makes him, we gotta kill him.
Put your hands up! 4 Robert 32, send him priority. I got a guy, gun on the front seat. I got him at gunpoint in the drive-thru.
Gun on the front seat. Not reaching, not aggressive. I got no problem with him drawing his gun, but talk to the dude.
Keep your fucking hands up!
Number 33, 22 red, fire your response now.
Unlock the door with your left hand!
Right.
So he wants him to reach across and unlock the door where the gun's at. And the guy's like, no, you're going to shoot me. I ain't moving my hands. Because cops just want to kill people when they show up now.
Unlock the door with your left hand!
Okay, come in.
What are you going to do if he uses his right hand? I've said this before. Cops that get into left hand, reach over, right hand. Nobody gives a shit about that. Just unlock the damn door. Bullshit training exercises. They want you to keep the guy at a disadvantage and use the hand farthest away and have him reach across his body. And it was all bullshit. Just unlock the damn door.
Can you unlock the door with your left hand slowly?
Slowly. What's slowly? Moving at 2 frames per second or 6 frames? What is slowly? You get to decide whether it's too fast or too slow? Just unlock the damn door.
10 8, Robertson, yes, sir.
So normally, once you gain ground, you don't want to give up ground. This cop leaves, and this video is 30 minutes long of a bunch of government bureaucracy bullshit figuring out how we can shoot this guy.
Unlock the door with your left hand!
Mr. Junior, 2229.
Unlock the door with your left hand!
Now, some people were saying in comments he should have broke the window and reached it. When you're by yourself, you don't want to be doing other things. I mean, look, the guy's a threat. Keep him at gunpoint. Try to start a dialogue instead of just ordering and yelling and screaming like you want to kill him. And talk to the dude while you got cover coming. Or shut the hell up and leave. I don't know when he leaves or why he leaves.
4 Robert 32. He's sitting in the car. The gun is on the passenger seat. I'm backing up. He's unresponsive. He's awake, but he's not listening to my commands.
So I'm just going to give up ground and leave.
Copy. You have one sitting in the vehicle, gun on the passenger seat. You're backing up. He's unresponsive, but he's conscious. Now let's see your commands.
In the McDonald's! God damn. 4 Robert 32. If you can call the McDonald's and have the employees get out of the drive-thru window, I don't want them in our line of sight.
So he's so worried about this guy that he's worried about these guys. Suddenly he wants to protect them. When this guy fires 40 freaking rounds out of his 30-round magazine, he ain't worried about anybody in McDonald's. But now this guy's worried about these guys watching.
Okay, copy. I'll give him a call. Restrict everything. 2230.
This looks like a good pillar to move around and maybe have some cover and stand behind there. But he doesn't. I mean, there's a lot of things he could do, but moving away is just kind of like, wait for a couple units to get there and then have them unlock the door or try the other doors while one person keeps them at gunpoint.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I do.
He's leaned back. He's got his hands on his phone. The gun is on the passenger seat. Get cover.
Get cover. Dude, you were standing next to the car for 5 minutes and the guy didn't try to shoot you. Now all of a sudden he wants everybody else to take cover. This guy's really big danger because he's not complying with the orders of the tyrannical government.
Get behind that.
Dude, worry about your freaking cover and not everybody else's.
We're in the drive-thru, front window. He's sitting in the front seat, still on his phone, not listening. The doors are locked. I tried to open them.
I used to hate when you're on scenes, you get cops pulling up and suddenly they want to start ordering you around. Do this, don't do that, don't do that. Cops are controlling people because when you show up, you kind of want to control the scene because if you can control it, you're more likely to survive if it goes bad and you know what's going on. But Cops like this. Get behind. Dude, I'm a big boy. I got a gun. I'm a cop, okay? I can figure out if I'm going to get shot. I don't need you to protect me. Protect yourself and protect the people in the drive-thru. Don't worry about me.
Copy. Vehicle doors are locked. Still sitting in the front seat, not obeying any commands.
So this just goes on and on.
Awake, he's just on his phone, looking at me, not listening. The gun is right on the passenger seat. It's a Glock like 43 or something.
Because that makes a difference what model it is. That's how great he is. Glock, whatever. This cop totally escalated this.
Say what? Did I try it? I didn't. I just took a couple steps back and waited for you guys.
You stood there for 5 minutes talking to him. So this is a hero dude with the AR that fires freaking 30 rounds. So here they go up with shields and put I'm assuming is a spike strip so he can't drive away. I'm okay with that. Spike strips are so you don't want this to go mobile. Okay. A lot of resources. All these cops. Ponytail police on the scene. She ends up shooting, and I'm not even sure she had a target. She just wanted to throw some rounds down to say she was shooting. I mean, she hides from this guy over here with the AR from his brass hitting her, and then after all the rounds, she comes around and just fires a couple rounds. I don't even know what the hell she was looking at. She couldn't see the guy. Then the dispatcher ends up...
Yes, hi, is this Ryan?
So they somehow get his phone number. I don't know whether he calls or they call, it doesn't say, but they get his phone number.
This is he.
Hi. Where are you right now? This is Montgomery County Police on a recorded line.
I'm at a McDonald's.
This guy sound dangerous? Like he wants to kill cops? Sounds pretty lucid to me.
Okay.
You got a dispatcher that has no clue.
Do you see officers?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show the officers your hands?
My hands are already up.
You said your hands are up?
They're already up, yeah.
Okay. Are the officers there?
Yes, they're here.
So she doesn't really know what to do. I mean, she should have transferred a call to an officer on scene and said, so the cop could have went, dude, we want to get you out of there safely. There's a gun in the front seat. Do you have any intentions on using it? Would you make sure you don't reach for it or do anything? Can you move one of your hands nice and slowly to your driver's door without reaching toward the gun and unlock the door so we can come up and feel safe to talk to you? I mean, just explain it to the guy. He might have said no, but it's like they don't know what to say.
Officers?
I can hear him just fine.
Okay, but can you put down your window?
I'm not putting my hands down.
Right here tells me the guy knows he doesn't want to get shot. I'm not putting my hands down. She doesn't ask, why are you afraid about being shot? Okay, how can we unlock the door without putting your hands up? Can you use your elbow? Can you just move one hand slowly? I mean, there's just no communication with this guy to try and help him, in my opinion. I mean, some people's going to say, they tried, Rick. He was being uncooperative. He was being uncooperative. He's saying, I don't want to cooperate. I get it. Now, they say he picked up the gun from where the gun is laying after they shoot him. I don't know if he did or he didn't.
Okay, I understand you're not putting your hands... Okay, are you able to hear them?
Yeah, I can already hear them.
Okay.
Is there a reason you don't want to get out of the car? Is there a reason you're just parked there in the driveway? Is there a reason they're gun? Maybe you're still gun carry. Maybe you're in witness protection. Maybe you're an off-duty cop. Is there a reason you have a gun? Our concern is the gun, and we don't want you reaching for it. But there's just no dialogue with this guy.
So we're talking directly to the officers. We're just trying to help you here.
Oh, yeah. 15 cops with shields and guns pointed at him. That's government help.
My hands are already up.
I understand your hands are up. Oh.
No, what are you talking about? So my hands are already up. What are you talking about?
Okay, so have they asked you to do anything else other than put your hands up?
So now we have dispatcher asking him what the officers are asking him. Perfect.
No, what are you talking about?
Okay, I mean, I'm trying to talk to the dispatcher as well. I just want to make sure we're all on the same page here, okay?
That's it.
Okay, well, I can hear him saying, show him your hands. Do you still have your
Yeah,
hands?
my hands are already up. Yeah, my hands are already up.
Okay, are they out the window? Okay, can you put your hands up out the window?
You can see my hands. I don't need to put them out the window. You already see them. They're up.
Now, see, here is why I don't understand that they didn't ask, do you not want to put your hands down to roll the window down, or you just don't want to comply? Are you not going to listen to the police? Do you feel like we shouldn't be here? Do you feel like we're harassing you? What? We're just trying to figure out what's going on. There's no dialogue to try and bring this to conclusions. There's yelling, ordering, he's non-compliant, and when he moves, they fill him full of lead.
They're out the window.
They're out the window.
Okay, so your hands are out the window?
You can hear us. Put your hands up while we can see them.
So they go through all this. The guy doesn't comply.
2253.
You have all these cops, all these lights. They put a spike strip, and then they pull a car in front.
It's with you, and you guys are trying to figure out where the gun's located.
You notice you don't see women carrying a shield too much? Rick, it's too heavy and it's too big for them, and why are you picking on women? They're getting the same pay and they're told we can do the job. They rarely seem to be carrying a shield. Shocking. 1, 2, 3, 4. The car in front and the car on the other side. 6 different cops, probably 8 to 10 officers, probably more than that. Look like a cop car. Oh, they got a car kind of behind him too.
Yeah, 14. Roger, you see firearms and alcohol with them. You're not in his hand on the front passenger seat.
No, open the door up. Just provide me a better platform.
So he's getting tired of holding the gun up, so he opened his door and got a better platform because he knows he's going to do a mag dump here.
Hang tight on. If he comes out and goes that way though, understand that we're going to be pulling him through where the gun is. Okay.
I think this is if he comes out on his own.
Okay. The gun.
So here's where they say he's looking at the gun, and then he opens up.
Have him come up Washington Grove from Mid-County Highway.
He's eyeing the gun.
He's eyeing the gun. Everybody get ready to shoot. Ready on the firing line.
Just take shot.
So let's go back and watch this girl. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. She ducks and hides when he starts shooting. You can see the brass flying all over here. See the brass right here? See those little brass things flying up? And she just kind of reaches around and throws a couple rounds. You think she sees the guy? I mean, I'm surprised she didn't shoot this car up.
Shot fired.
Now they try to justify slowing down,
He's
putting
up.
arrows.
Have him come up Washington Grove from Mid-County Highway.
He's eyeing the gun.
Just take
Everybody shoot. Now, did he pick up the gun? So what if you pick it up? Did he shoot? Did he point it at anybody? I mean, it's just freaking crazy the way they're killing everybody.
I'm flying around you.
Get that door.
Hey, you can find you at the station place for fire rescue.
Get the gun first. Gun is
Yeah, we get it. There's a gun. Big deal.
out. The
Guy's dead. They killed him.
gun is out.
Perfect. Happy ending. All these cops got experience. We can see how dangerous cops are, how the job is so dangerous. We only had 15 cops, a bunch of cars. We had spike strips. We had shields. Our job is so dangerous. We fired 30 rounds on a guy because he picked up a gun and he didn't even shoot at us. Man, we are freaking tough. Back to blue till it happens to you. This is earning the hate. There's no reason for all those freaking rounds on this jet. That's bullshit, but whatever. We'll end that there.